Imagine a world where AI transforms entire industries overnight. It's happening right now, and Palantir's at the center of it all. You're about to witness how a single company is rewriting the rules of business, leaving corporate giants scrambling to keep up. In the next few minutes, you'll see how Palantir's AI is turning water plant inspections into a high-tech operation and helping hospitals save millions. This isn't just another tech story. It's a glimpse into a future where code and audacity are reshaping the corporate landscape. You have to check this out. We're talking about a company that's not just playing the game, but changing it entirely. And by the way, this is just the tip of the iceberg. The thing that I'm most proud of. How Palantir's pushing boundaries in ways that'll make your head spin. Palantir is rewriting the rules of business at breakneck speed. While tech giants like Google and Microsoft dominate headlines, this scrappy company is transforming industries from the inside out. Founded in 2003, Palantir's carved out a unique niche in big data and AI. Their approach? Tackling the messiest, most complex problems that other tech companies avoid. We're talking about the data challenges that keep CEOs up at night, where traditional solutions just don't work. Palantir's secret weapon is their unconventional approach to AI and data analytics. They tailor solutions to each client's unique needs, diving deep into the nitty-gritty of how businesses actually operate. They create custom AI solutions that speak the language of the industry they're working in. This is hard, really hard. Most businesses are stuck with legacy systems that don't play nice with each other. Data silos, incompatible software, outdated processes, that's the norm. Palantir's job is to make sense of this chaos, turning a jumble of disconnected information into actionable intelligence. But here's where it gets interesting. Palantir's not just analyzing data, they're fundamentally changing how businesses understand themselves. They're creating what they call an ontology, a comprehensive model of how a business operates, from supply chain to customer interactions. It's like a digital twin of the entire organization, predicting problems before they happen and suggesting solutions you never considered. This is Palantir's real secret sauce. By creating these detailed ontologies, they're not just solving today's problems, they're setting businesses up to tackle future challenges. It's like teaching a company to fish instead of just handing them a fish dinner. So, how does all this fancy tech translate into real-world results? Well, you won't believe your eyes. We're about to dive into an example that'll make you rethink everything you thought you knew about AI in business. We're talking about turning a mundane water plant inspection into a high-tech adventure straight out of a sci-fi movie. Trust me, you need to see this. Jacobs, a global infrastructure giant, faced a daunting challenge, making water plant inspections more efficient without compromising accuracy. Traditional methods were a nightmare of clipboards, manual data entry, and countless hours spent crawling through pipes. It was slow, tedious, and prone to human error. One misreading or overlooked crack could spell disaster. That's where Palantir stepped in. They didn't just digitize the process, they transformed it entirely. Now, Jacobs engineers walk into water plants wearing mixed reality glasses that are their window into a world of real-time data and AI-powered insights. Every piece of equipment comes alive with a digital overlay, showing current status, maintenance history, and potential issues. But here's the kicker. Palantir's AI analyzes everything in real time. Notice a gauge that's slightly off? The AI immediately compares it to historical data, giving you instant context on whether it's a minor fluctuation or a bigger problem. Spot a hairline crack in a pipe? The AI assesses its severity and predicts how quickly it might spread, helping prioritize repairs before they become emergencies. This isn't just cool tech. It's a complete reinvention of infrastructure inspections. Engineers cover more ground in less time, catching potential issues that might have been missed before. They're interacting with data in real time, making informed decisions on the spot, and the system is constantly learning, refining its recommendations with every inspection. The impact is massive. Jacobs engineers are now assessing plant health through AI-powered MR glasses, catching problems earlier, optimizing maintenance schedules, and ultimately keeping our critical infrastructure running more smoothly than ever before. But Palantir isn't stopping there. Their AI revolution is spreading to industries you might never expect. We're about to see how a $50 million investment is reshaping the future of healthcare, where every second counts, and Palantir's AI is literally saving lives. $50 million. That's what Tampa General Hospital is paying to bring Palantir's AI into their operations. And they're calling it a bargain. In a world where healthcare costs are spiraling out of control, how can such a massive investment actually save money? The answer is reshaping hospitals across the country. Tampa General Hospital, a sprawling 1,007-bed facility, serves as a lifeline for millions of Floridians. They were facing challenges that pushed their system to its limits. Something had to give. Now, imagine you're a doctor or nurse at Tampa General. Every day you're making life or death decisions, often with incomplete information. It's a recipe for inefficiency at best and tragedy at worst. This is where Palantir's AI steps in, overhauling the entire system. Their artificial intelligence platform, P, is like a digital nervous system for the hospital. It pulls in data from every corner of the facility and weaves it into a living, breathing model of the hospital's operations. But here's the real magic. This isn't just a fancy database. Palantir's AI is constantly analyzing this data, spotting patterns, and making predictions that would be impossible for humans to see. It can predict which patients are most likely to develop complications, allowing doctors to intervene before problems escalate, or optimize staff schedules in real time, ensuring the right specialists are always available when needed. The impact on patient care is profound. With Palantir's AI, doctors and nurses have instant access to a patient's complete medical history, including data from previous hospital visits, outpatient care, and even wearable devices. This comprehensive view allows for more accurate diagnoses and personalized treatment plans. The AI can even flag potential drug interactions or allergies that might otherwise be missed. It's transforming how the entire hospital operates. Need to order more ventilators? The AI is already on it, predicting demand based on current patient conditions and historical data. Looking to reduce wait times in the ER? The system's analyzing patient flow patterns and suggesting staffing adjustments in real time. While Tampa General hasn't released specific numbers yet, the financial implications of this AI revolution are staggering. We're talking about reduced length of stays, fewer readmissions, and optimized resource allocation across the board. Tampa General's bold move is setting a new standard for healthcare management. As other hospitals take notice, we're on the cusp of a healthcare revolution powered by AI. But Palantir's ambitions don't stop at hospital doors. Their AI is spreading, touching industries you might never expect. So, let's zoom out and see how Palantir is changing the game across entire sectors. Forget nukes and missiles. The most powerful weapons in the 21st century are lines of code. We're in a new kind of arms race, and the winners will reshape entire industries. But here's the kicker. It's not just the tech giants who are in the game. Palantir is giving everyone a fighting chance, and they're coming for the corporate titans. AI isn't just a buzzword anymore. It's the secret sauce that's giving companies an edge over their competitors. We're talking about the kind of advantage that can turn industry underdogs into top dogs overnight. But here's the thing. Most companies are still fumbling in the dark when it comes to AI. They're watching nimble, AI-powered upstarts eat their lunch, and they're scrambling to catch up. It's not about throwing money at the problem. These corporate giants are weighed down by legacy systems, outdated processes, and a workforce that's not ready for the AI revolution. It's like trying to retrofit a steam engine to compete with a Tesla. This is where Palantir comes in, and they're not messing around. They're making advanced analytics and AI-driven decision-making accessible to companies that would have been left in the dust just a few years ago. You have to check this out. Imagine a world where a mid-sized retailer can go toe-to-toe with Amazon, or a regional hospital can provide care on par with the Mayo Clinic. That's the kind of leveling up we're talking about. Take retail, for example. Palantir's AI platform helped one major retailer automate 90% of their customer queries. We're not talking about basic chatbots here. This is AI that can handle complex customer issues, freeing up human staff to focus on high-value interactions. It's the kind of efficiency boost that can turn a struggling business into an industry leader. The signs of this shift are already clear. We're seeing companies from healthcare to finance to infrastructure jumping on board, each finding new ways to leverage AI in their specific industry. It's a trend that's only going to accelerate as more businesses wake up to the potential of AI. As we wrap up, let's consider what this AI revolution means for the future of business and society. We're not just talking about incremental improvements here. We're looking at a fundamental reshaping of how business is done in the 21st century. The question isn't whether AI will transform your industry, it's whether you'll be leading the charge or playing catch-up. And by the way, if you're not already thinking about how to use AI in your business, you're already behind. You need to get on this and fast. AI is transforming business in ways we can't ignore. It's not just about big companies anymore. Small players are now punching above their weight, and industry giants are scrambling to keep up. You have to check this out. Experts are predicting AI could pump $15.7 trillion into the global economy by 2030. That's insane, right? Here's the thing that I'm most proud of. We're witnessing a seismic shift in how business gets done. The winners in this new world won't be decided by size or legacy. It'll come down to who can harness AI's power the fastest and most effectively. So here's my question to you. As industries evolve at breakneck speed, are you going to lead the charge or play catch-up? The clock's ticking, and standing still isn't an option anymore. What's your move going to be in this AI-driven future? I don't understand why some people are still hesitating. The opportunities are massive, and the risks of inaction are even bigger.